Hey everyone, it's Anson here from Weekend Garage. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace your cabin air filter in your Ram 1500. This is the new DT model. So if you got a DT body model with any of the related trims, it'll be the same. You might know it's time to replace your cabin air filter when you start to notice that your HVAC system starts to smell like mold. Every time you turn off your AC, there's a weird moist smell. So let me show you the part number here. This is the one I'm going to be using, LA1367. It's quite straightforward. I think I can do this with one hand even. So I'm going to empty out the glove box here. And what you want to do next is on the right side here. There's a plastic clip. We're going to grab that and pull it down. You see it's linked on both sides. We're going to disconnect it by pulling it down and out. So we're going to pull it down and then pull it out. That's how it clips on. And when you put it back, you just put it in and push it up. We're going to take it out for now because we need to pull the glove box off. Just let the cable go back there. We're going to need it to grab it later. And what you want to do is this whole glove box is held by plastic clips on the bottom. So we're going to grab it and pull out just like that. Same for the other side. Just going to pull it out just like that. And the whole thing comes off. As you can see, it's so easy that I could do it with one hand. This is what the clips look like. There's 3 on the bottom. You can be pretty rough with it. It won't snap. Let's put this somewhere safe. Make sure you don't scratch anything. So it's held on by these 3 clips down here. We're going to need this for later. While you're in here, you can even swap out your glove box light. I swapped mine for an LED. It's a T10 bulb. But anyways, back to the main DIY here. This is where the airflow box is for your cabin air filter. We are going to press the tab on the side and then pull it out. There's a clip on each side. Just need to press it and pull out. Might need both hands for this part. Oh, don't really need both hands. Let me show you guys how the clip works. What you got to do is just press down on it and pull it out. And that's the same for both sides. So press down and pull out. You won't mess up the orientation because it's clearly marked here. Airflow goes down. I'm going to put this on the dash. I'm going to take a look down here. This white thing is the filter. I'm going to pull it out. As you can see, it's quite dark and dirty. That's all contamination. Make sure you don't flip it inside your car, or else you're going to get dirt all in your car. So let me show you the difference between the two. It's so simple that this whole DIY is going to be done with one hand, and the other hand is going to be filming. This is what the new one looks like, and the old one. This filter is by 10,000 kilometers in the car. Look at the difference. That's the stuff I was breathing before. So just a quick note, airflow actually goes down. So let's follow the arrow. As you can see, it's pointing down. If you're not sure, just check the cover of the cabin air filter. It'll clearly state. There we go. Make sure it's nice and snug in there. And we're going to grab our cover. And just push it back on. That's it. Test it out, make sure it doesn't go anywhere. Airflow down, perfect. Filters airflow going down as well. Now we're going to grab our glove box. Excuse my clumsiness, it's hard doing it with one hand. We're going to align the 3 clips on the bottom with the 3 clips right there, and then we're just going to push it back in. But before you do that, we're going to need to grab the string. So once you line it up with the 3 tabs, we're going to grab our string off to the side. Make sure it's in the right orientation, like that. And then we're going to feed it into this hole. It's difficult right now because the box is not pressed into place. So what we're going to do, step into the car here. Just press it down. Like that. And then now we can pop that thing back into place. So after adjusting with both hands and shaking it around, it is now lined up. Check the fitment on both sides. Perfect. It's a lot easier with 2 hands. I had to put the camera down just to shake it around and make sure it aligned. That's all. Now we could turn the car on just for some air. And make sure airflow is still coming in. Air is coming through all the vents. And that's it. Hope this video helped you guys out. If you have any questions, you can leave them down below. Here's the part number once again. Anyways, hope this video helped you guys out. If you have any questions, leave it down below. Anyways, have a great day and thanks for watching.